Hi, my online students. I just wanted to congratulate you on your first week of school. I hope you had a great week. And also, I have some important announcements and updates that I wanted to share with you. So, the first thing is you saw in my announcement this week some suggestions for succeeding in an online course. So, one of the things that I want to highlight is that sometimes we think that online courses are going to be easier than face-to-face courses because we don't have to come to class, but actually the opposite is true. So it takes a lot of discipline and just a lot of motivation to succeed. And I want you to be very, very clear on that from the front. So one of the things that I saw when I was looking at the discussion boards this week was that some of you are just waiting to the last minute to post and then just posting to your classmates on the same day. So what we want to do is post your initial response early in the week and then give it a few days and then respond to classmates because we want to create a community, lively conversation and debate. So those of you who did that, you're going to see that reflected in your score. And those of you that didn't do that, this is a really easy thing for you to fix and a great way to succeed. So another announcement is, so we're having a great event in combination. Let me move this so I can see you guys in collaboration. Thank you. Friday afternoon with UCF, and it's an event where you can actually will go to UCF together and learn more about UCF majors. What are some housing options? What does it mean to be a transfer student? Meet some people there. Walk around the campus. You can also spend time with some of the faculty and meet some of your peers. So even though you're online, I don't want you guys to miss out on opportunities. So this would be a great one, and registration is open now. So I would love it if you guys could check it out, and I'm going to post the web link to this announcement. So that's something really fun that you can check out too. So we're back to the world of Blackboard. I just want to walk through a couple things for you for week 2. So this week we're talking about time management, and when we poll college students and professors and even employers, they all say that time management is one of the most important skills that you can have and really makes the difference between succeeding and especially not doing well in school and struggling at work. So this is something I want you to really reflect on in terms of your life and ways that you can grow. So as always, we have learning activities and graded activities, and I need to do this part first. So what I'm doing this week is I'm looking at the time management module, and some things that are pretty cool in here. I especially think the part where you do this self-test quiz to see what areas you need to improve. Everybody's different. There's no one size fits all. And then there's some great info too about procrastination. So procrastination really seems for most of us like the excuse, the reason why we don't do things, but it's actually a behavior and a choice that we can change. So I'm really excited for you to learn more about that. So I'm going to continue going through the unit, learning more about procrastination, finding some ideas about how to categorize my time. So after I do that, then I'm going to move back here and then I can mark this as reviewed. But first I have to go through everything. And then the graded activities. So we're doing two things. We're doing a weekly schedule and reflection where I'm going to be filling in my week and what it looks like. So for example, this is 5 in the morning. You can just write sleep and then a bunch of arrows down until when you wake up. I wake up at 7. And then here you're going to reflect. So what ways are you struggling? Where are you wasting time? What are you willing to change? So just some opportunities for you to not only just look at your schedule on an average week, but what are some ways that you can fall forward, move forward. So the second thing this week is the co-curricular for place. And if we click on here, we're going to see the module. So the instructions about all the activities that you need to do in the overview. So as online students, sometimes you don't get the opportunity to come on campus as much. This is a way for you to experience our campus and learn more about the services that we provide so that you can come see us for support and also know which services are available virtually for you. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to fill out this info here. So I'm going to talk about resources, what's the space that I feel passionate about, a bit of a reflection, and then that's the assignment. So 2 assignments this week, a weekly schedule reflection, and then the co-curricular place. And remember that I know what's due every week because it's here in the course schedule. So here we are, we're in week 2, it matches week 2. I have 2 assignments and they're due by the 10th, 11:59 p.m. So that's going to be our week. If you have any questions, just email me. Love hearing from you guys, and I look forward to reading more about you in your introductions, seeing your weekly schedule, and I hope that you have a great week.